Windhawk, a free, insanely powerful tool that upgrades how your Windows desktop looks and how it feels to use every day, from a transparent start menu and glass taskbar to clean glass window effects. And it's not just about looks. There are smart, practical mods that actually improve your workflow. In this video, we're going from 0 to 100. Install, setup, best mods, everything you need. Let's make Windows work for us, not the other way around. To get started, I've put the link in the description. Go ahead, open it, and download Windhawk just like I'm doing here. For the installation, keep everything on default, don't overthink it, and just hit Install. Now we wait a bit while it downloads the required components. My internet's not exactly winning any speed awards, so this might take a minute for me, but for you, it'll probably be a few seconds. All right, installation's done, let's launch it. This is the first screen you'll see when you open the app. Right now, we don't have any mods installed. In the Featured section, you'll see a list of highlighted mods, and as you can see, each one shows a rating and how many users are currently running it. We're not going to stay here. Go to the top and click on Explore. That's where everything is organized, from the most popular mods down to the rest, nicely categorized so you can find what you actually need. All right, let's start with the most popular one. It's called Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click on Details, and this is the page you'll land on. Now, hit Install, confirm it, and we're good. Okay, installation's done. Down here, you can see previews of different themes. Take a minute, scroll through, find something that actually fits your style. I'm going with this one. Now, jump into Settings and select the theme you want. All right, let's look around a bit. Scrolling. There it is. Now I'll hit Save Settings. And just like that, the Start menu changes. Simple as that. Down here, you'll see Control Style. You can ignore this. It's mainly for people who actually create mods, not for regular users. Then there's Source Code. That's where you can see the actual code behind the mod. Again, not something you'll need for normal use. But under Advanced, there's a section called Mod Settings. This one can be useful sometimes. If a mod has a bug or you want to tweak something specific, you can paste a custom configuration code here and adjust it manually. That said, realistically, you probably won't need this 90% of the time. All right, let's go back. Quick suggestion for you guys. That Start menu we installed, it's good, but I've got a better option. Go to the Themes section and choose Translucent Start Menu. Now this is clean. A proper glass-style start menu. Minimal, modern, and actually eye-catching. All right, now we're going to the second most popular mod on the list, Taskbar Styler. Open it up, and as you can see, there are tons of different themes here. It even has a Windows 7 style. Let's try that one. Install. Apply. And yeah, works perfectly. My personal recommendation? Window glass. In my opinion, this is the best taskbar style here. Clean, elegant, and just the right amount of cool. No visual noise. Now let me show you where this really makes sense. We add a live wallpaper, then launch a Widgets app, and just like that, you've built a seriously slick desktop setup. Simple, but powerful. If you want to learn how to create setups like this step by step, check out the Windows Customization playlist on the channel. And before we continue, take 2 seconds, hit like, subscribe, and support the channel. It genuinely helps more than you think. All right, let's head back to the main page. There's another really popular mod here, Notification Center Styler. This one targets the Windows notification panel. Just like the others, it comes with multiple themes. But my recommendation? Window glass. It gives you that clean glass-style look in the notification center too. And once everything matches, your desktop just feels way more polished and cohesive. Small detail, big visual impact. All right, here's another popular one, Taskbar Size. Pretty self-explanatory. It lets you make the taskbar smaller or bigger. Now, for the best result, it should match your taskbar theme. But just so you can clearly see what it does, I'm going to disable the Taskbar Styler for a second. Go into Settings, and here you'll see different size options. You can tweak it, apply it, and instantly change how your taskbar feels. A lot of people coming from Windows 10 don't really like how big the Windows 11 taskbar is. If that's you, this mod is a solid fix. Simple, practical, effective. All right, Let's go back to the main page again. And here's something you definitely need to see. Better file sizes. So what does this one do? It adds something Windows never properly gave us, folder sizes. You can already see file sizes in Explorer, no problem there, but folders. Windows doesn't show you their size in the preview list. This mod fixes that. And honestly, once you get used to seeing folder sizes instantly, it's hard to go back. Simple feature, but surprisingly powerful. All right, after installing the mod, there's one more step. You'll need to install another small tool. The link's in the description. It's called Everything. Open Everything, go to Tools, Options, Indexes, and check the box that says Index Folder Size. That's it. This app needs to be running in the background, but don't worry, it's extremely lightweight. You won't even notice it. Once it's active, you'll be able to see folder sizes directly inside Windows Explorer. Clean, practical, and honestly, long overdue. All right, let's check out another cool one. It's called Taskbar Volume Control. Simple idea, but super practical. Instead of clicking multiple times just to adjust your volume, all you need is this mod installed. Then, anytime you hover over the taskbar and scroll your mouse wheel up or down, you can control the system volume instantly. No menus, no extra clicks, just scroll and done. Small tweak, real convenience. Here's another interesting one. Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. A lot of you have asked me, how is your File Explorer so transparent, so glassy? Well, this is one way to do it. You can simply install this mod, pick a theme, and your File Explorer gets that clean glass-style look. There's also a second method. It involves dropping a tiny file, just a few kilobytes, into your C drive, and everything turns glass instantly. If you're interested in that method, let me know in Discord. But for most of you, install the mod, choose a theme, and you're done. All right, there are a few more mods that can actually be useful. For example, this one lets you customize your clock. You can tweak how it looks, add extra info, make it more functional. There's also one called System Performance Metric. It shows your CPU and RAM usage right next to the clock. Clean, subtle, but very practical if you like monitoring your system in real time. And then there's Translucent Windows. This one makes all your desktop windows glassy. It works very similar to that small file method I mentioned earlier. The difference is this applies the effect system-wide. The previous one we saw was only for File Explorer. This one affects everything. All right, I think that's enough for today. Nothing else really worth diving into, at least for now. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them. If this helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe, because you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next.